Good morning, students. My name is Priyanka. Today we will learn about exploring windows. Okay, our topic is exploring windows. In this topic, we will learn about Windows system. Windows is an operating system in our computer. Okay, which let us view different programs in the computer. Okay, so let us start with exploring windows. Okay. Before that, let me tell you the contents of this topic. Okay, students? So, students, in this topic, we will learn about Windows Explorer, how to create a new file, how to create a new folder in a computer, how to rename a folder or a file, how to delete a folder or a file, modes of view and the shortcuts. Okay, this is the content of this topic. Okay, now shall we start with Windows Explorer? Okay, so students, now let us learn about Windows. Okay, what is Windows? Windows is the most popular operating system in today's world. Okay, Windows is the most popular operating system in today's world. Okay, Windows are actually operating systems. Now, what is operating system? Operating system means a system that enables us to work in a computer. That means with the help of this operating system, we can work into a computer. Okay. Now, this operating system is the very popular operating system. This Windows. Okay. This Windows was developed. This Windows operating system was developed by whom? By Microsoft. Okay. This Microsoft developed the Windows operating system. Okay, students. This operating system is very user friendly and it provides a graphical user interface, that is GUI. This system is very user friendly. That means you can work very smoothly and very easily in this working system. Okay, that means it is not so that tough to work in this operating system. Okay, students, and what does it provide us? It provides us graphic user interface. Okay, that is GUI. Okay, students, now let me tell you the next feature of Windows. Okay, so students, there are many other different versions of Windows. This Windows operating system has many other different versions. That is, the other versions of Windows operating system are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Most oftenly, we use the version of Windows 7 and 8. Okay, Windows 10 is the latest version of this operating system that we are still using today. Okay, this Windows 10 is the most advanced version of this operating system that we are still using today with advanced features and functions. Windows 10 have advanced features and functions that we don't have in Windows 7 and Windows 8 also. But Windows 7 and Windows 8, this version of operating system are still used. Okay. So now let us move to the next content. Okay. So students, now let us study about Windows Explorer. Okay. What is Windows Explorer? What do you mean by Windows Explorer? of Explorer. Explorer means to search something or to find something. Okay? Something new that you find, that is known as Explorer. Exploring means to search. Okay? And this Windows Explorer is alternatively also known as File Explorer. Okay? Windows Explorer is also known as File Explorer. Okay? This File Explorer helps us in viewing, managing files, drives and folders. Okay? It is a file browser. Okay? It is a file browser that helps us in viewing and managing file, drives and folders. Okay? Now what do you mean by browsing? What do you mean by browse? Browse means to search something, to search some information. That is known as browsing. In the internet, when you need to search something, what do? You browse in the internet, isn't it? Yes. Browsing means to search some information. Okay? This Windows Explorer is a file browser which help us in viewing. Viewing means in which help us to see, and manage means which help us to manage all the files and drives and folders that are saved in a computer. Okay? Managing means controlling all the files, the drives, the folders that you have created in your computer. It helps in viewing and managing. Okay? All the folders and files that you have created, when you want to view it, you can view with the help of this file browser. Okay? You can explore it. Okay? Now, this Windows Explorer was introduced with Windows 95. Okay? Which was later named as File Explorer. This Windows Explorer was introduced with Windows 95. Windows 95 was also a version of Windows operating system. This 95 is the year in which this Windows operating system was introduced, in the year 95. That is why it is written as 95. Okay? This 95 is the year from which this Windows system was introduced and it came in operation. Okay? That people started using this operating system in use. Okay? That is why it is written as Windows 95. And later this Windows 95 was renamed as File Explorer. Okay, students? So now, did you understood what is Windows Explorer? I will repeat again a quick review. Windows Explorer is an exploring system. That is, you can find, search anything in this Windows exploring system. That means you can view and manage your files and folders that you have created in your computer with the help of this operating system, Windows Explorer. Okay? And it was introduced with Windows 95 and later it was named as File Explorer. Okay, students? Have you understood? Okay. Students, now let me tell you how to open Windows Explorer. Okay? Students, can you see my mouse pointer? This one? It is moving there? This one? Yes. First, you drag and bring your mouse pointer to the start button. This is called as start button. Can you see? Let me zoom it. Yes. This one. This one is known as start button. You click here first. This is the first step. Then you click on all programs. Okay? Then you click on accessories. Can you see? Yes. Then you click on Windows Explorer. Many options are there, isn't it? You select Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer page will open. Can you see? This is the Windows Explorer page. And again, if you want to go back, you just click on this one, red cross mark. Okay, the page will close. Okay, students? Now students, let us learn about navigation panes of Windows Explorer. What are navigation panes in Windows Explorer? Now what do you mean by navigation and pane? Navigation means to move around a website or internet, to search information or to browse a page. Browse means search. Search a page that you need to work on in a computer. That you need to work in a computer or to program in a computer. To do some programs that you want to in a computer. That is navigation. And what are panes? Pane, it is a separate defined area. It is a separate defined area, okay, within a window. Within a window software, okay. Windows means what? The page that I showed you, okay. These panes are the separate defined areas in a window for displaying or interacting with a specific part of the Windows output or application. It means that it is a separate defined area, okay, in which it is used for displaying different pages or drives or folders that you have made in a computer, okay. It is used to save that drives, folders or pages that you have made, okay. It is situated in the different panes, okay, in a window system, okay. And it is used to interact a specified part of the window output and application, okay. So many applications you have in your computer system or not, like PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Office, etc., logo, paint, etc., okay. These are what? And many folders and drives are there in your computer system, isn't it? These are situated in different panes, okay. There are two different panes in computer, that is left pane and right pane, okay. This left pane is also known as navigation pane. This left pane is also known as navigation pane, okay. It displays all the folders to view the content of any folder on single click, okay. This left pane, all the folders and files are situated in the left pane, okay, and you can click this files and folders within the single click of your mouse, okay. Now what is right pane? Right pane, it displays the contents of the selected folder. The folder which you have made, it is situated in the left pane, left side of the window, and in right side of the window, the content that you have saved in the file or folder, it is opened in the right side of the pane, okay. Any content or any file, if you want to view any content of a file or folder, it will be shown in the right side of the pane. Let me show you now what is left pane and what is right pane, okay. So students, now let me show you what is left pane and what is right pane, okay. First you open the Windows, you go to the start button, all programs, accessories, then open the Windows Explorer, open this Windows Explorer, Okay. Now this is the page of the Windows Explorer. Can you see? Yes. Now this, the mouse pointer where it is pointing, this is the left pane. Okay. And this one is the right pane. This part is the right pane. Can you see? It is divided with this margin between. Can you see? Yes. So this is the left pane and this is the right pane. Okay. In this left pane, all the drives and folders are situated in this left pane. Okay. All the drives and folders are situated in the left pane. Whatever drives and folders you have made in the computer, it is situated in the left pane. Okay. And in those drives, the folders and files that you have made, it is saved in these drives. Okay. This local disk drive, local disk D drive, local disk E drive, these all are the drives. Can you see? Favorite, desktop, downloads, etc. These are the left panes. Okay. All the folders and files are saved in these. So if you want to open any file or folder from this left pane, suppose we are clicking in this local disk C. The files and folders that we have created has opened in the right pane. Okay. Whatever drives you have made, it will be located in the left pane, and whatever files and folders you have made, it will be located in the right pane. You can open with a single click, with a left single click on the mouse pointer. Okay. And all the files will open. Suppose we want to open this Windows, we will double click on the mouse. Okay. All the folders and all the files that you have made, it will be opened. Okay. So this is left pane and this is right pane of a window. Can you see? Have you understood what is left pane and what is right pane? This is left pane and this is right pane. In left pane, this left pane is also known as navigation pane. Okay. It displays all the drives and folders, and to view the content in this folder, we can open it by a single click. And this is the right pane of the window. Okay. This right pane displays the content of the selected folder. Suppose we have selected this local disk C and it opens the folders, the contents of this folder. The contents of this folder is displayed in the right pane. Okay. Now this can be opened with the double click. I showed you how can this be opened. This can be opened with the double click. Okay students. Now let us move to the next topic. Now students, let us learn about libraries. What are libraries in Windows? Okay. These libraries are one of the most useful feature of the Windows. These libraries are one of the most useful feature of the window. Why? Because it let us organize all our files and folders. Organize means to set up accordingly. Okay. To set up accordingly, it helps us to organize our files and folders. Okay. In these libraries, we can set up all the files and folders accordingly in these libraries. Okay. And we can save all our content in one type in a single folder. Okay. All our content, suppose you have made some presentations or some programs you have worked on and you want to save that. You can save it in a single folder. You don't have to make different folders for different programs. You can save all together in one folder only. Okay. So this is the main feature of libraries, that it let us organize all our files and folders. Okay students. Now students, these libraries also contains other folders such as documents, music, pictures, videos, etc. Okay, there are other folders also. Okay, and these are generally stored in the library folder, which allow them to be displayed on the navigation pane. And the other folders which are available in these libraries, these are shown in the navigation pane. Now what is navigation pane? I told you, in the left pane, in the left side of the window. So when you will click the folder of the left pane, the contents of the left pane will be shown in the right pane. It will be displayed in the right pane. Okay, student? Now students, let us learn how to create a new library. Okay? First, you drag your mouse pointer on this library option. Right click on libraries. Then many different options can you see there? Collapse, restore default libraries, open in a new window, copy new. You click on new. Right? You click on new. Then library option will come. Then you click in library. This new library folder is created. Can you see? How did I do? First, click on right click on libraries, go to new library will come, then left click on library. New library folder is opened. Now you can save any kind of folder or files you made. You can save it in this folder. Okay, students? Did you learn? Yes. Now students, we will learn how to create a new file in the window. Okay. First you go in this start button and there it comes a search option. Can you see this one? Yes. Here you go and type Notepad. What will you type? Notepad. N-O-T-E-P-A-D. Notepad. Can you see? The Notepad program has come. You open this Notepad. Okay. Then you enter some text. Any text you want to enter. Suppose I am typing what? Computer classes. Computer classes of Windows Explorer. Can you see? I have typed with the help of keyboard. Yes. Now this you go to the file option. Then you go to the file option and then you save it. Okay. Now this will be your this one. You go here in file name. Then you give a file. Then you give a file name, any name you want to give. Suppose I am giving computer. Okay. And then you save it. Can you see? And then if you want to check what you have opened or what you have created, go to file, open. Here you have created a new folder. Can you see this computer folder? In this folder what you have typed, it will show. Can you see? This is the steps to create a new file in Windows folder. Now you can close it. Okay, student? Now students, we will learn how to create a new folder. Okay, students? There are two methods to create a new folder. First, let us learn the method 1. Okay? First, you go to the Windows Explorer. Click on the Start button. Click on All Programs. Then Accessories. then Windows Explorer. Okay? Did you see? Now select any drive. Select any drive from this folder. Any drive. Suppose I am selecting pictures. Okay? I have selected pictures. I will repeat again. Okay, student? First, you go on the Start button, All Programs, then Accessories, then go to Windows Explorer, then in the left pane, you select any drive you want to select. Suppose I am selecting the drive picture. Okay? Now you click on the mouse. Now you right click on the mouse. Okay? You right click on the mouse. Okay? Like this. You right click on the mouse. Can you see? There is an option New. Can you see this option New? Yes. Then you select this folder. A new folder is created. Can you see? A new folder is created. Okay? Now you go to this new folder name. You click here, then you backspace. Okay? Then you backspace and you can give any name to this folder. Any name you want to give to this folder. Suppose I am giving my name to this folder. Priyanka. Priyanka. Okay? Suppose I am giving this name to this folder and it is saved. Here it is created a new folder. This is how you will create a new folder in this Windows. Okay, students? Shall I repeat again? Shall I repeat again? Okay, I will show you. Wait. First you close this. Okay? Now, first you go to the Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories, then Windows Explorer, then in the left pane you select any drive you want to create a new folder. Suppose I have selected this pictures. Okay? This folder I have already made. Then you right click on the mouse, then there is an option down there, New. You go to New, then you go to Folder and a new folder will be created. And then you can select here and then you can rename it. Okay? Go backspace and then you can type any name you want to and then click and then type enter. It will be saved. Okay? So this is the step to create a new folder in the Windows system. Okay, students? Are you clear? Yes. So students, now let us learn the next method to create a new folder. Okay? To create a new folder, that is method 2, right click anywhere on the empty space. This is empty space. Okay? This is the home page of your computer and this is an empty space. Okay? You just right click on this empty space. A context menu has appeared. This is a context menu. Okay? Move the mouse pointer to the new option. You move the mouse pointer to the new option. Okay? Can you see? Then there you click to the folder option. Here you come and click to the folder option. A new folder will be created. Can you see? I have created a new folder. Okay? So this is the step to create a new folder. I will show you again. Just right click on the empty space. Go to new option. Then go to the folder option, and then a new folder will be created. A new folder is created, and then you can change the name of this folder also. You just click on this blue line, and then you go backspace, you delete this name first, then you can create a name of your own. That is, I will write folder, folder. I have written a name, and then you just press enter key, and this is the name created of this folder. This is folder 3 I have created. Okay students, so this is the steps to create a new folder in a computer. Okay. Now students, let us learn how to rename a file or a folder. Okay. We can rename a file or a folder in our computer by these following steps. First, you select a file or a folder. I am selecting a folder here. Okay. You click on this folder. Again you click on this folder. Okay. A blue highlighting line will appear. Can you see? This name is highlighted with blue color. Okay. Then you backspace it. You backspace means there is an option in your keyboard. Can you see? Backspace. Yes, it will delete this name, and then you can give here your own name. Whatever name you want to give, you can give it here. Suppose I am giving this folder a name as computer, 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 and then you press enter. Okay. Now again student, let me show you how to rename a file. Okay student. Now right click, I have already told you right click on the mouse, and then you select a folder, and then you click on the name of that folder. The name of that folder will be highlighted with blue color, and then you backspace it. That means you delete the name of that folder, and then you give your own name. That was the first way to rename a folder. Okay. Now you can also select any file or folder that you have made from the documents. Okay. These documents, you can select any file or folder. Okay. First you go in the drive, any drive you want to, you go there, and suppose I want to rename this. Right click on this, then there is an option that is rename. There will be an option to rename this file or folder, or you can go in the organize, and then you can rename this. Okay, there is an option there, you can see rename. Okay, there you can go and rename this file or folder. Okay students, now this is the back key to go backward. Suppose I want to rename this folder. Here I will click sample pictures. I will delete this, and I will write here only pictures. Okay. This is how I have changed the name of this folder, and then I will press enter. Okay. The text part that we choose will be highlighted into blue color. Okay. Then again you have to go to the rename option from the organize menu in the command bar. This blue one, it is known as command bar. Can you see? This one is known as command bar. You go in the organize option, you go in the rename option, and then you select it, and then you can rename this one. Can you see the blue? It was again highlighted. Organize, rename, it is highlighted in blue color. You click it here, then you backspace it, and then you type your own name, that is sample pictures. Then you click on the enter key. It will be saved. Okay students. This is the method to rename a file or folder. Okay? So now students, let us learn how to delete a file or a folder. The first method, you can delete a file or a folder with the following steps. Number 1, click on the file or folder to be deleted. Step 2, click on Organize menu and then click on Delete. Okay? Let me show you. Suppose I'll make a new folder. Okay? Suppose here I will make a new folder. I have made a new folder and now I want to delete this one. I will right click on this folder and then come to the delete option, and I will again click in this folder, and here you will get an option. Are you sure you want to delete? Then you click on yes. This folder is deleted. I will repeat again. Right click. This is the context menu that will appear. Then you go to the delete option and then delete this file, and this file will be deleted. So this is the first method to delete a file or folder. Okay? This was the method to delete a folder directly. Now Now student, the second method to delete a file or a folder. First you select a file or a folder that you want to delete. I am selecting a file from music drive. Okay? And I want to delete this music file. Suppose this is a file that I have created in the music drive. I will go in the organize. Okay? Or I will right click, I will go in this file and I will go in the organize option, and here it is the organize option that is here, that is delete. And then the computer will ask you, are you sure you want to delete the folder or file or not? Okay? And this folder, if you delete, it will move in the recycle bin. Okay? This file, when you delete, it will move to the recycle bin, and then you can choose the option whether you want to delete this file or you want to keep this file. I will repeat again. I will choose a file that I want to delete from the music drive. Okay? The file has appeared here in the right pane, that is sample music. I will select this, clicking in the mouse, left click. Then again I will go in the organize option, and then I will select the delete option. Then you can select whether you want to delete this file or not. And this file, once you delete it, this will move in the recycle bin. Okay student? So this was the steps to delete a file or a folder. Okay? Now let us move to the next content, that is modes of view. Okay? So students, now let us learn about modes of view. What do you mean by modes of view? The icons that you have in your desktop. Okay? The icons that are there in the desktop. Icons means the files that is there in the desktop. Okay? In which size you can see them. That is known as modes of view. Okay? And this Windows Explorer provides a number of different ways to view a file and folder. Okay? We can choose any kind of view styling option by opening a file and then clicking on the view option in the toolbar. Okay? We can change this view style by clicking on the view option where in the toolbar. Okay? We can right click on the blank portion in the right pane and take the cursor view option, and then we can select the view styles that we want to see. Okay students, so this is the mode of view option in Windows Explorer, through which we can change the views of the icons that is there in our desktop. Okay students. Students, there are various view options in the Windows Explorer. Okay, there are different types of view options that appears in the context menu in the Windows Explorer. Those are extra large icons, large icons, medium icons, and small icons, through which we can change the size of icons that is in the desktop, that is in the home page. Desktop means the home page of the computer. When you open, you see different kinds of files and folders in the desktop. Yes, that can be changed through the view options. Okay, let me show you. Okay, students, these are the icons in your desktop. Okay, these icons can be changed with the view option. Okay, it can be enlarged, it can be larger in size, it can be small in size, and it can be medium in size. Extra large icons makes the icons of files and folders large. Okay, and then these large icons are known as thumbnails. Okay, the large icons are known as thumbnails. Large icons displays the icons little smaller than the extra large icons. Okay, and then medium icons displays the icons smaller than the large icons, and smaller icons displays the icons representing the type of file. Okay, so how will you change these icons? First, you right click on the mouse. There is a view option in the context menu. Can you see this view option? Yes, this view option. Then there comes the options: large, medium, small icons. If you click on large icons, the icons enlarged in size. Can you see? I have clicked in the view option. Okay, right click, view option will come. I have clicked on large icons, the icons are large. Again, if I click on the medium icons, the icons will be in medium size. And again, if I click in the view option and if I click in the small icons, it is according to the files that is representing in the page. Okay, see, this is the way. View, large icons I will click, the icons will be large. And again, view, I will click medium, the icons will be of medium size. This is how you can change the view of an icon. Okay, now what is list and tiles icons? List icons makes a list of all the files and folders and displays them as small icons. And tile icons, it displays the files and folders as medium icons along with the information about their sizes and types. Okay, now let me show you what is list icon. You right click, you go to the view option, and then there is list option. Can you see? This is how it will come in list option. Can you see? It has changed to list option. Go to view and then go to list. It will come in list option. And what is tiles option? This is tiles option. It will come in this. It will come in this way. Tiles option will come in this way. Okay, and list option will give you a view of this one. This is list view and this is tiles view. Can you see? And now what is details and content? What are details view and content view? Okay, now you right click again, go to view option, there is detail view. Can you see detail option? You click on detail, everything will come in detail. What is the size of the file? Okay, everything will come in details. That is detail view. Again you go to the view option and then you click in the content. You will see how many files and folders are available in this drive. This will give you the content. So these are the different views of the icons. Okay students? So students, now let us learn how to search files in a window. We can search files in the window with the following steps. The first step is locate the search bar at the top right corner of the search pane. This is the search pane and this is the search bar option. Okay? Here you type it and whatever files or folder you want, you can search from here. You type the name. Suppose I want to find the folder picture, 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 and then the folder will come. Can you see? These are the folders of the picture. These are the files that is inside the folder picture. Can you see? And then you select the file. Explorer will start displaying the items. This Explorer has displayed the items. Now you choose the desired file and double click on it. Suppose I am clicking this one. I have double clicked. It has opened. Okay. This is the way to search a file in the window. I will repeat again. First you go in the search bar in the right corner. Then you select picture or type picture. This will start displaying the items. The Explorer will start displaying the items. Choose the desired file. Okay. The desired file will be chosen and the selected file will be opened. This is how you search files in the Windows. Okay. So students, let us learn what is shortcut. Okay. A shortcut is an icon or a link to a program or a file or folder in a computer. It is a shortcut icon. You can create shortcut icon of a file or folder in your computer. Windows allows us to create shortcuts for any file or folder in the computer. Suppose there is a file or folder inside a drive and you want it in your desktop, the home page. You can create a shortcut of that file and you can keep it in your desktop page so that you don't have to open all the programs to search that file or folder. That is why shortcuts are created. Okay students? Now students, let us learn how to create shortcuts. The steps to create shortcuts are: open the Window Explorer. This is Windows Explorer, okay? First we'll open the Windows Explorer. Okay students? First we'll open Windows Explorer. We will go to all programs, accessories, Windows Explorer. Okay? Now right click on any folder or file to create shortcut. Right click on any folder or file to create shortcut. Suppose I am clicking here. Right click. Okay? Then a context menu has appeared. Now there is an option. Can you see? Create shortcut. Yes, you choose the create shortcut option from the context menu. Okay? Now this shortcut will appear in the same window. Okay? This shortcut will appear in the same window. See here. Okay? Video shortcut. Can you see? The video shortcut is copied here. First you go to the Windows. Okay? Then you right click here. Again a context menu will appear. you click on the create shortcut option and then you close this window. This is the shortcut that you have created. Can you see? This one, videos shortcut have been created. So this is the steps to create shortcuts. Okay. So students, this was all about exploring windows. Okay. Hope you enjoyed learning. In the next class, we will continue further with the next topic. Thank you students.